sure you support the channel. So welcome back everyone to the channel. So thank you for taking some time out today to check out the video. So we're gonna jump into it. So what we got going on today, we will be installing a mod on the car. So let's go ahead and pull the car out of the garage and give me a little bit more room to work with. So we got the car straightened up and got me a little room to work with. Make sure you check out the channel there. So what we're gonna do is a little tail light mod from parts from GTS Styling. And this should be relatively quick and easy to do. You see it's 3 pieces here, 1 for the middle section of the tail lights and 2 for the end. The instructions seem very straightforward, so this video should be short unless we run into some crazy issues. So hopefully we don't. So let's get into it. All right, so we got the first part here, and this should just, based on the instructions, should just pop on there. So I am going to just do that, just so, and that part is on. We are done. Step 1 is done. You can see the difference of what that looks like now versus the stock versus the blacked out. Okay, so part 1 is done. So part 2, this part should just snap on as well. So this is going to go on the other side. So we're going to snap that part on. Already got the rear end clean, so we're good here. And that part snaps right on, and we are done. That part is done, so we just got to do the center divider here. So biggest question is visibility with the tint on there. So I'm going to hit my lights here, and you can still see the tail lights pretty good here. I got a brake light up here, but with the tint on it, you can see the lights pretty well. So it looks like we're looking good so far. So the last part I'm gonna put on here is the middle section. It has this double-sided adhesive here to stick to the middle of it. Only adjustment I'm gonna put some stickiness on the end because it seems like it's flaring up a little bit when putting it on the car. So I'm gonna adjust that and we should be good to go. So now we have the center part on now. Pretty much just placed it right on there. Everything's good so far. And to see how it looks when the lights are on. I mean, it's daylight, so you really can't see it as clear, but you can still see the red shining through. At night, you have no issue seeing that. So yes, I have one more part I'm gonna put in the middle, and we'll have this all done. So the finishing touch on the tail light install is gonna be this hash mark from Lux Tinting. This hash mark is reflective, so at night it should look pretty good. So let's throw it on and we'll be done. And just like that, we're done. Finished product. We have the tail light cover tint on. We have the Dodge reflector hash mark on. We are finished. Let me know what you think. Like I said, it was a quick, easy one to do. Probably took me a total of maybe actual work time, maybe like 15 minutes or so. So let me know what you think, man. Check it out. Bring it to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We out of here.